Hi, I'm Abby J, and I grew up in a small town in North Georgia on the Sequoia River where farming was a way of life. My husband and I own and operate Black Hawk Fly Fishing. And today I am the creator of Abby J's Gourmet. It is a full line of tailgating products you can find in your local Ingles deli. And now, thanks to Ingles, today we'll be making my chicken chili cheese dip. For a full list of the ingredients, be sure to visit inglestable.com. You can print out a list and take it with you or pull it up on your smartphone when you arrive at the store. Now let's get cooking. Just got back from Ingles and I'm doing one of my favorite tailgating recipes in my cast iron. Today it's going to be my chili skillet dip, and this is perfect for game day. And the first thing you do, you want to take some beans, a 16-ounce can of beans with some lime, cilantro, and sour cream. I've already pureed this. And you want to put this in the bottom of your pan, and then we're going to take some Springer Mtn chicken, and I've already cooked the chicken. It's shredded chicken. Okay, you want to dump this shredded chicken into the pan. We've already pre-cooked that, so it's easy, ready to go. And then we've taken some about a half a cup of corn, sweet corn. You want to layer that right on top of that. And then we're going to take some cheese. This is layer by layer, but it's real fresh. You're going to find all these fresh ingredients at your Ingles market. And then to really spice it up, we've got Abby J's bean and jalapeno salsa. This is in the very middle of the cast iron in this recipe. This really gives it a really lot of flavor, good kick. And then we will have some fresh crunch here. You're going to put part of that on there, like so. And then we're going to take the beans. We reserve 1/4 cup of the beans that I used in the very beginning. And then we're going to add another cup of cheese. I like the Monterey Jack cheese and cheddar. And then at the very end here, we've got some chopped red bell peppers. And we're going to top it off like this. This adds so much color to this dish. And this is about a half a cup of fresh cilantro. And we're going to cook it in the oven for about 25 minutes on 350. So let's get this in the oven. Okay, it's ready, and I just took it out of the oven. It's been in there 25 minutes at 350, and this is my chicken skillet dip. Great for parties, great for your party, and it's great with Tostitos, bread, anything you want to serve it with for game day. I want to thank you so much for joining us here at the Ingles table. Remember, you can find more of my recipes along with some great cooking tips right at the Ingles table. Until next time, I'll see you online.